eToro crypto trading pricing explained what you get for your money. eToro is a popular platform for crypto trading, but most people get its pricing wrong. The surprising truth is that eToro uses a spread-based fee model rather than traditional commissions, which means your cost is built into the buy and sell price. For example, Bitcoin on eToro has a typical spread of around 0.75%, which means if you buy zero worth of BS, your initial cost is embedded in the spread. Ethereum's spread is usually slightly higher at 1%, depending on market conditions. While spreads can be slightly higher than other platforms, eToro compensates with zero deposit fees for most payment methods and easy withdrawals, which makes overall costs predictable. eToro also offers a unique copy trading feature, allowing beginners to follow professional traders. While there is no extra cost for copying trades, your trading decisions still incur spreads, so understanding this is crucial. The platform supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more, with both long and short positions possible. Deposits are mostly free, and withdrawals are charged a small flat fee. The surprising truth is that eToro combines a simple pricing model with a highly accessible interface, making it ideal for beginners who want to trade crypto without dealing with complex fee tables. In conclusion, eToro provides good value for your money, especially for beginner traders. Spread-based pricing, free deposits, simple withdrawals, and innovative copy trading make it an approachable and cost-effective platform. Knowing the spread structure allows you to plan your trades carefully and avoid unexpected costs, making eToro a smart choice for both new and experienced crypto traders.